Hi, I'm Manikandan. Right now, we're going to talk about the current problems and challenges faced by India. Right now, there's a severe power shortage that's affecting entire India. No matter where you're from, whether you're from Kashmir or Kanyakumari, it's affecting entire India. Right now, the weather is unbearably hot at 45 degrees Celsius. Even with this unbearable weather, we have power shortages. And how can we solve that? Let's explore the solutions to this problem. Loom Solar has come up with this battery called as Camlin battery. We will explore the benefits of this Camlin battery. Camlin battery charges in just 1.5 hours. If you take any other battery that's available right now in the market, it takes easily around 5 hours to 8 hours. Meanwhile, Camlin batteries charges in just 1.5 hours from 0 to 100%. The next benefit of having a Camlin battery is that it takes just less space, and it's been estimated it takes just 75% of less space compared to traditional batteries that's available right now. It easily fits in small rooms. Meanwhile, every other battery needs such a huge room to stack up all these batteries one after another. And these batteries are also expandable. What we have here is the communication port. With the help of this, you can actually stack up multiple batteries depending on the number of devices you have in your home. Whether you might have washing machines, you have multiple devices that needs a lot of power. You can have more and more batteries stacked up one after another with the help of Camlin batteries. Third thing, the advantage of having a Camlin battery is that it doesn't have any kind of leakage issues. Every other battery has this leakage issues after a year, and it needs maintenance. Like you need acid or distilled water in order for you to keep the batteries running effectively. Meanwhile, Camlin batteries don't have any kind of maintenance required. It has zero maintenance. It's totally zero maintenance. Let's explore the battery efficiency of Camlin batteries. Every other battery in the market has a very short lifespan. Meanwhile, the Camlin batteries charge cycles last up to 1500 to 2000 charging cycles very easily. And that's the great thing about this battery. Your money is put to good use with this battery. Every other battery right now comes with 3 years of warranty. Meanwhile, Camlin battery, what's so great about it, you might ask? Camlin batteries come up with 5 years of warranty. That's effective for your business. What is so great about this battery is that it's a smart battery. How do we say it's smart? This smart battery can be controlled with your cell phones or your computers. Wherever you are, no matter where you are, you can control this battery. No matter where you are, you can control this phone with the help of your cell phone. You can monitor the amount of voltage. There are so many settings to toggle in the dashboard. Let's explore the next benefit. Your smart home needs a smart battery, and there is no other device you first need to prefer than having a smart battery like Camlin battery. Camlin batteries can easily last up to 6 hours. It can run most of your devices in your home like air condition, washing machines, multiple devices in your home.